Hey there, science enthusiasts. Ali here, and get this. Today we're diving into some mind-blowing scientific facts that you won't believe are true. We're talking about things so unbelievable, so flabbergasting, you'll be scratching your head and saying, "No way, that can't be right." Get ready to have your minds blown wide open because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the incredible, the bizarre, and the downright shocking side of science. Buckle up because here we go. Okay, first up, let's talk bananas. Delicious, right? Full of potassium, good for your muscles. But did you know that bananas are also radioactive? Yep, you heard me right. Now, before you panic and swear off banana smoothies forever, let me explain. Bananas contain potassium-40, which is a naturally occurring radioactive isotope. Don't worry though, the amount of radiation is extremely small, way too small to be harmful. You'd have to eat like a zillion bananas to even come close to a dangerous dose. Speaking of bananas, are you ready for another shocker? Get this. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. I know, it sounds crazy, right? But it's true. We share a common ancestor with bananas way back in the evolutionary timeline. That common ancestor passed down certain genes that have been conserved over millions of years. Those genes are responsible for basic cellular functions that all living things share, from bananas to bacteria to you and me. It just goes to show that life on Earth is interconnected in some pretty amazing ways. Next up, we're blasting off to the planet Venus, where things get really weird. Imagine a day that's actually longer than a year. That's right, on Venus, a day lasts a whopping 243 Earth days, while a year, the time it takes to orbit the Sun, is only 225 Earth days. How is that even possible? Well, Venus rotates incredibly slowly on its axis, and in the opposite direction of Earth. So, if you could stand on the surface of Venus, which you can't because it's incredibly hot and toxic, you'd see the sun rise in the west and set in the east, and the whole process would take over 200 Earth days. Talk about a long day. Okay, get ready for this one. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Think about that for a second. Our galaxy, this vast collection of billions of stars, is dwarfed by the sheer number of trees on our little planet. Scientists estimate that there are over 3 trillion trees on Earth, while the Milky Way contains a few hundred billion stars. It's a testament to the incredible biodiversity and sheer scale of life on our planet. So, the next time you see a tree, give it a high five. Let's talk about honey. That golden, delicious nectar that bees make. But here's the thing, honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are thousands of years old, and the honey is still good to eat. How is that possible? Honey has a unique chemical composition that makes it inhospitable to bacteria and other microorganisms. It's incredibly low in moisture, highly acidic, and contains natural preservatives produced by bees. So if you ever find yourself with a jar of honey that's been sitting in the back of your pantry for a while, don't throw it out. Next up, we're diving into the ocean to meet the amazing octopus. These creatures are incredibly intelligent and have some truly bizarre adaptations, including 3 hearts. That's right, octopuses have 3 hearts that pump blood through their bodies. 2 of the hearts are branchial hearts, which pump blood through the gills where it picks up oxygen. The 3rd heart is the systemic heart, which pumps the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. This 3-heart system is essential for octopuses because their blood is copper-based, which is not very efficient at carrying oxygen. Finally, let's talk about water, the most essential substance on Earth. Water is full of surprises, and here's a big one. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. This mind-bending phenomenon is called the triple point. At the triple point, the temperature and pressure are just right for all 3 states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas, to coexist in equilibrium. For water, the triple point occurs at a temperature of 0.01 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 6.1173 millibars. It's a pretty rare occurrence in nature, but you can actually create the triple point of water in a lab. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these shocking scientific facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science.